afternoon, petecurians. Yes, you're back. And I know why. It's because I promised you lot last week that I will show you 2 dishes that you can prepare with my basic tomato sauce recipe. For those of you who missed last week's episode, please do and watch that first before trying to attempt this meatball. Now I'll stop talking and show you how I prepare my meatballs. But before we do that, the word of the day is subscribe. Come along. 1 whole onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 40 grams of grated Parmesan, 15 grams of breadcrumbs, 500 grams of minced beef, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 whole egg, 10 grams of flat leaf parsley, 1 basic tomato sauce. Finely chopped your onions. Finely chop your garlic. Crumble your parsley and chop them as well. Chop your cumin seeds. In a large mixing bowl, add in the chopped onions to the minced beef, followed by the chopped garlic and the grated Parmesan, the breadcrumbs, chopped cumin, your chopped parsley, and finally crack your egg. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix well with your hand. Check for seasoning. Use a tablespoon to get even portion for the meatballs. Use your palm to gently roll the meatballs. Shallow fry your meatballs by placing them in a skillet clockwise. After 20 seconds, flip your meatballs and continue frying them on the other side. Remove your meatball and place them on a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Carefully place your meatballs in your warm tomato sauce. Gently stir your tomato sauce and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you are ready to indulge on one of the best meatballs you have ever had in your entire life. Serve with mashed potatoes, polenta, but not pasta or the Italians will kill you. And there you have it. Simply the easiest and the best meatballs recipe, and I can assure you they are delicious. Now that's 1 recipe down and 1 more to go, so join me next week and I will show you another exceptional mouth-watering dish that you can prepare with my tomato sauce. And as always, like and subscribe to this channel. I don't have to repeat myself, but maybe I do. It's a good reminder, isn't it? So I'll see you guys next week. Now run along. Bye bye. Leave me alone.